what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I am back with another wig review. This time, I am giving a kind of re-review. Okay, so this is a So Good Hair unit that I got from SoGoodHair.com, and I had did an old video. I'm gonna leave the link right here. I did an old video, or the link right here, whichever side it is. I did an old video on that unit, and I did the whole, okay, I got it, and I didn't do any curling to it. It was just a regular body wave, and I like made it like a wet look, and I wanted to come back and redo that unit. Now, I think I've had that unit, gosh, like a year now or something like that. So since then, I've gotten better just with everything. So in terms of my technique, way different. I don't even know that whole sprayed and wait till it dried, then put your lace down method. I don't even, why are we doing that? And baby hairs, I'm done with it, because baby hairs, just give it away. Wait, baby hairs, like, I'm so over the baby hairs. So I've been doing my units, no baby hairs, okay? No baby hairs. And the way that I do it is by, you'll see in the video when I get ready to show you, but like, you'll see that I just kind of spray on top of where I cut my lace, put my hair back, dry, do a little more until it's all down. That way I don't have to worry about, oh my God, I need to do baby hairs because I gotta hide the lace line. Plus, they did a pretty good job with this unit. I can't even front, okay? This is a very nice, nicely bleached unit, okay? I didn't put no nothing on, like, it's good, okay? So, you know, I really just wanted to come back and be like, okay, with the new techniques that I got, with curling it instead of just leaving it as is, let's see what we can get this unit to look like. And I must say, mommy looking good for Mother's Day, okay? Okay. So let's jump into how I got it to look like this.
that. Damn. 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 Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. 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 Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Ho, 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 ho. like that. Damn. 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 Oh. Damn. Oh. Like that. Like that. Damn. Oh. Damn. Oh.
So that is pretty much this unit. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you like it? Do you love it? Let me know what you think about the method that I'm using. Whether you think it is a good method, it's not a good method, just your thoughts on the method. And that's pretty much it. I am going, if you guys want to know, because I think I won't do it unless you guys ask, but if you want to know how I got this look, go ahead and leave me a comment asking me what products I use in order to get this whole look with my face, and I will definitely put the details to that if you guys want that. Thank you for watching. Bye.